Tanaw na ko likod. Uy, Atods! Subagay na, Father! Tra, nula nag-cursed meal. Cursed meal. Play. Hello? Hello, kinsa man ni? Her. Priest Gavin. Hello there. Hello, Father. Welcome to my church. I really appreciate you helping me out here. It has been a lot of work running this church alone. But with you, it should be a lot better. Right? Now come in. Let me give you a tour of our lovely church. Okay, Father. You take book aning Father o yun. Unsa man ni diri, Father? This is the confession booth. In here we have no secrets or judgments. Have you ever confessed before? Yes, but it wasn't a good experience. Oh, nakakuha na ako dati. Naka-confession. Oh, well, maybe I can change your mind. We can try it later. Now let me show you the staff room. Okay, Father. Asa man? Dre? This is the staff room. It's also my office and bedroom. I found it easier to sleep here since there is a lot of work to do. Kani? Uy, lot ako, uy! Bullshit. Loans mo ni? Oh, hell no! This is our small storage room. It is also our kitchen. The basement has been closed down. Patuan ako sa inyong basement daw. Na-curious nun ko sa basement. It was declared unsafe to enter. So never go down there. Asa? Sounds dangerous? Got it! Never go into the basement. Hi, Gerald. Hi. Hello. Exactly. Never. Duda ko sa imo, Father ba? I'm glad you understand. Now let us continue the tour. Duda ko ni Father ba asang basement diri kani? Ay, lata ko. Wait for me, Father. Pakaw ang book niya ba? Uy. Kisa man eh. Ikaw ni? Okay. Yes. This is my favorite painting. It's a painting of me and my father. He was the previous owner of this church. He passed away some time ago. Condolence, Lord. I'm sorry for your loss. What happened, or can I ask what happened to him? I'm sorry for your loss. Well, it was an accident with a previous assistant that worked here before you. He suddenly went crazy as if something possessed him. He couldn't even speak normally anymore, as if something possessed him. But do not worry, he won't be a problem anymore. Let's just say, kapuyag basa min oy. Let's just say he won't see daylight for a very long time. Enough about this, let's move on. Okay. Asa mo tapadulong ani, Father? Yudi pareha lagi may ganti para, boy. Pareha may ganti para ni Father. Tarantado. Pareha may ganti para ni Father, bay, busi. This is the room you will be staying in. There will be some orphans arriving later that will also stay here. Orphans? They had no place to stay, so we offered them a safe place. I want you to try and make it feel like home for them. Don't worry, I'm very good with kids. Don't worry, I'm very... Good, I feel like I can trust you already. Alright, let's continue. Kapuya, sigbasa-basa niya. Mantahan ni Father. Ngit-ngit tapos. Ano man eh? Ilubong naman siguro kaning parian eh. This is where my father is buried. He wanted to be buried in the place he loved most. He loved being in this little garden. Good evening, Renz Louie. Little garden? So please keep this place clean and maintained. Okay, that was the tour. You should get your luggage from the gate and place it in the guest room. I will be in my office. Kapuyag basa oy. Asa ka ni siya? Wait lang, duda ko ning pareha ni ba? Wait lang, sundan na to be. Gwapo ka siya buhok bay. Ano sabi na diri? Duda ko ning pareha ni bay. Okay, wala day. Sorry. Check lang. Uy, gago. Duda lagi kuha ni lagi. Pagkaon yun ni. Bites. Na ko luggage. Okay, kuha sa to mga luggage. Butang na to sa kuan. Ay, ayun! Woo! Gardener Graham. Hello there. Hello, pre. You must be the new assistant. Lay nagtingog oy. I hope you don't end up like the last assistant. Unsa ding last assistant? The priest told me about him. What exactly happened? Well, let's just say it didn't end well. But I'll scare you with some story. It's all good now. You're here. I will let you rest now. Your luggage is at the gate. Wala lang ni mo gikuha para sa kuha. Busit. Okay, tara. Iti, bisig mo sunod ni ba? Okay, wala siya ni sunod, bay. Asa kitong storage room? Diri man nata to. Lagot sa mo ni siya diri. Duda, dyan ko niya, bay. Amot lang. Instinct lang ako. Okay, tara. Ibuta to ni sa... Asa gito? Diri. Okay, Pites. Yans, I'm tired. Ito yan, tingog oy. I should lay down for a bit. I will take the bed next to my luggage. Okay, matulog na ko. Hulo. Uy, father. Palayo, men. Palayo, ha. Dozed off, I see. Well, good that you're awake. I need your help. The orphans will be arriving soon and I need to prepare some things. But I can find the files folder the orphanage sent me. What's in those files? I will find them for you. What's in those files na lang to? Nothing special. Just some information about the kids. Bring them to me once you find the files. They should be somewhere in the church. Files? Ngita kong files. Epstein files? What game is this, kuya? Oh, this game is called Cursed Meal? You're so konyo. Asa man ang files? Uy, gosh. Wait, nagunsa makadirimin. Wait lang, B. Pangitawan sa tong files, B. Naraman daw sa church. Pero nagunsa ka ni siya dirimin. Gapanghi ni. Basig na diri sa cabinet ang files. Ay, Tra, Gabin's files na ni pre. Tra. Nihatag na to sa iyasag siya ni Kwan. Pero nagunsa mo siya. Dre mong files, oh. You found them, great. The kids should be arriving any moment now. If you will welcome them, that would be great. Of course, I will make them feel at home. That's good. You do that and I will prepare some... last things. The kids must be really hungry. Asa mga bata? Tanong itong mga bata daw. Kids, dali na mo. Ito mga bata, oh. Hello? Hulo, cute, oy. Hoy. Nya ka ni kay... Sige na po tiyog panipa. Okay, tara na mga kids. Group of orphans. Lily. Hello, sir. Hello. Ayun sa tingog, oy. Welcome. I hope this place can feel welcome. Ano ito? We hope so. It's very quiet here. Okay. Hala! Naman ni siya. Naadto man siya diri. Naadto man ning pare. Diri abi na kakuray mo sugatan ng mga bata. Duda, jugon mo father ba? Sige dabi. There you are. I see you've already met our new guests. You must be tired after such a long trip. This church exists to care for those who need it. Food will be prepared soon. It's important that growing children eat properly. Come, let's head inside. It's getting chilly out here. Tara na, let's go! Tara, let's go mga bata. Pari-pariya lagi mo mga buhok lagi. Pari-pariya lang mga buhok ba yung magkasing? Okay, so dire mo mga tulog. Ulo, kaso nilingi, ragalit. Kuratan ko nilingi. Ay, mas siya. What? Everything okay or I'm happy you are here? Okay, I'm happy you are here. Yeah, sure. Maldito ni siya, bay. Kani. This place seems old. Wala pa ka na tao, men, na ano ning simbahanan eh. Not bad. Just old. Okay. Kani. Unsa man ni? Cute ta yun. Cute kayo silang mga gupit bay pakaw. Do you live here too? Yes, I'm the new assistant. I'm happy I'm here. Si Lily? Na pretty smiles a lot. Sig smile no, magbaliw. Ay, kanino sa ni sige, sipa-sipa ning bata ni. Sig sipa-sipa bay. Oh, hi. Si Mara. Are you feeling okay, Mara? Yes, I'm okay. Okay. Oh, tara na. Everyone settled in. Good. First days are always the hardest. I could use an extra pair of hands in the kitchen. We should start preparing dinner. The children must be hungry after traveling all day. It's important they eat well. Come with me. Okay. Ay, diara. Buhat na tag pagkaon sa mga bata. Storya na pud bay. It's nothing fancy but it does the job. I've already taken care of most of it. I just need your help finishing up. Okay, tara. Hala, meat ba din eh? Bro, cookies. Sige, dyan po, sipa-sipa. Baliw, dyan po. Okay, bata to, Dre. That should be enough. I'm exhausted. Time to go to bed. I have to get some good sleep tonight. Tara. Matulog na ta. Saan mo ko matulog? Ay, dito din dapat ko. Hoy, tulog na ta. Sila, nakamata ko, bay. Gabi na, wait lang. Tulog na sila, bay. Tulog na mga bata, men. Asa ko bang bata? Tara, na bata sa taas. Hala, mata man ni siya. Awa, mata siya. Dari sa kabata, oh. Tulog ka. Wala man ni natulog, men. Wait lang, pangitawan ako si Father, bay. Kaya marag-feel ako na ginabuhat si Father, bay. Asa na ka si Father, no? Sige na sa gawas. Daw. Ay, dara, kisa mo ni si gardener. Gatrabaho, gabi, bay. Hello? What are you doing at time? I couldn't sleep. I could ask you the same thing. Mutan ako anong matapog ka. Heh, fair enough. Someone's gotta keep this place tidy. Kadlawon, Jud. Even after dark. Say I left my gloves in the shed. Mind grabbing them for me? Yo, gisugo pa ko. Uy, asay mong shed. Ay, darade ayo. Iskot. Abri ni shed. Kondo na ko yung gloves. Asa yung gloves? Mo na yung gloves. Gilumot naman niya. Ano ko kisaradan ko, men? Dagan-dagan siya sa gawas. What? Fuck. Ay, sa. What happened? Yati ko sugar din sa ko headphones eh. What happened? I heard something slam shut. Ikaw maganito? The shed was locked when I got here. Huh? Did you do that? Don't mess with me. Easy now. You're tired, that's all. You should try to get some sleep. Gay no, siguro gikapoy ra ko bay. Gujud lang bay. Ay sa kay nay nagilak. Ni nagilak man, gisam na nagilak. Ni nagilak. Do nagilak. No, wala lagi itong bata diri. 1 2 3 Hala na, wala lagi sa kabata, men. Gimo nagkarniguro tong isa ka bata bay kay gaylak-hilak naman. Ay, gosh yung... Woo! Kurtanan ako eh. Yati mo ka, father eh. You're up late. Patay, dakpa na ka, father ha. Sakpa na ka. Is something wrong? I heard someone crying. Where is Tomas? Ah, si Tomas ang nawala, men. I heard someone crying. Crying? This place makes strange sounds at, at night. The wind carries them. The wind? Gahilak? Wind? Tomorrow will be a long day. Matulog ko? Nawadaan mag-isa ka bata, min. Pero I don't give a shit. Di man ako to kaunsaon sa tong bata to. Matulog na ko. Tulog! Nya, asa naman? Asa mga bata, min? Patay, oy, nangahurot na mga bata, oy. Gimo, nagkarni, bay? Ay, turaday. Woo! Mungguloy yun isa kang bata. Mau sige sipa-sipa. Baliw yarn. Oy, istorya, oy. Ikaw. There's not much to do around here. Lain sad, magdula-dula ka sa simbahan. Hoy, ikaw. He didn't come back. Father Gavin told to him last night. He said Thomas needed help. Did you see where they went or did you hear anything? Did you hear anything? Kay wala man siya makita. Kay tulog man ning buangan eh. Did you hear anything na lang? Just some weird sounds. Si Father. It's either si Father ang suspect or si gardener. Good morning. Gikaon na to ni isa ka bata ha. Good morning, I need your help. Unsa may patabang nimo sa ko? I have a note for Graham, the gardener. Can you deliver it for me? He'll be somewhere around the church grounds. About last night, saman storyaw na to nahitabo gabi bay? Or alright, storyaw na to tong nahitabo gabi. Pangutana na to siya about unsay nahitabo tong last gabi. Tong gabi kay nawala ang isa ka bata. There's nothing to worry about. Try to stay focused on today. Duda jud ko ni father ba? Graham! Asam tong gardener bay? Patay, feel na ako. Gipatay na pod ni father tong gardener kay murag nawala naman pod. Gimo nagkarne oinks. Ay tura ding gardener day bay. What's this? I see a note from Gavin. Alright, I'll take care of it. Looks like you're taking over my work today. No problem. What do I need to do? There are some leaf piles around the church, like this one next to me. Can you clean them up for me? Bayabi kong assistant ko sa pari. Bayaw na imon mo assistant sa gardener. Feel na ko bay kakutsaba ni Father Gavin si Graham. Tanaw na tabi-tabi sila oh. Nagtabi-tabi sila, pareha pa yun sila mga ulo ba, talaga ako ulo nila magkasing. Di pa lagi na ako sila masturya lagi, wala pa ko nahuman. Napa siguro ko'y kulang bay, napa ko'y wala nakuha ba. Ay, daraday o, nasa entrance. Okay, mana naman siguro na fights na That should be all of them taken care of. That took long. I should go back in the church and tell Gavin I'm done. You're back. I saw the grass earlier. You did a good job out there. You did a good job. Sheesh, mag-gardener na lang siguro ko ani. Thank you for helping keep this place in shape. If you're up for it, we can continue with your confession. I'll be waiting in the booth. About Thomas, mangutana ba ako about kay Thomas or dili na? Dili na siguro no? Mangutana ko kay Thomas bay, luwi king bata bay. We'll talk about everything inside. Di jud ta kalungan father duda jud ko si mo. Some things are easier said in private. Tara. Di ka gusto makadungog si Grahams? Basigon saan ko nimo diri father ba? Hello. Tell me how you're feeling today. Uneasy. Uneasy ko ba kay curious ko asa to isa ka bata. It's important to protect children from burdens like that. Protect children? Pero asa mo to isa ka children? They shouldn't have to carry anything heavy. Not here. So where is Thomas? So where is Thomas? Tanato daw? Yes! Where is Thomas? Yes? Kadoda-doda ka, Lods! He just won't be staying with us? Gabiing dako? Another place was better suited for him. Asa sa imong basement? Duda ko. Make sure they eat well. Hagi ka po yung nagbasa, bay. Tara, mga gagawa sa mga bata, min. Pakauno na to sila. Mga una mo, mga bata, ha? Tara. Asa mga bata? Patay, bay. Ay, tara, mga bata. I'm going to bed early today. I should tell Priest Javid. He went into the church. Hello. Cute ni Mara. Cute si Mara, bay. Kanang tao jud siya. Like, tao jud siya. Kani kay, tao na lang po. Father. Asa ka, Father? Father, nagunsa makadra. Unsa ni? Priest Gavin whispering. Lord, this was not how it was meant to be. Patay, bay. Gapangay nagpasaylo, bay. The words were right. The intent was right. But something listened that shouldn't have. Now he's always hungry. And I am the one who has to answer for it. I will not let him starve. I won't. Kinsa. Please help me get through this. Father, nganong gapangayo kag pasaylo, ha? Tara, to storya to siya. I didn't hear you come in. Nag-eavesdrop ko, man. What were you talking about? I'm going to bed. What were you talking about? That? Just a prayer. Prayer? Doda. Kadoda-doda ka, Lods. Nakunsa ba kaniya? Mataga kaniya? The priest is saying some weird stuff. Weird stuff? Elliot, nakapansin sad ka, Elliot? What did he say? Weird things. I don't understand. He's in the church. Okay, matulog na lang ko. That was some good sleep. I don't usually feel this rested. It's quiet in here. Too quiet. I should see where everyone is. Patay na nga, wala ng mga bata, bay. Patay yun si Father, kadoda-doda, yung si Father, bay. Asang everyone? Ay, dara, hala, isa na lang kabuk bata. Patay, bay, isa na lang kabuk ang bata, bay. Where are Lily and Elliot? Patay, the priest took them, tanawa. Gikuha sila sa priest, gikuha sila ni Father. He took them away. Patay yun si Father ba? Now I'm all alone again. Duda jud ko kay Father bay. Feel ako si Kibuloy ni. Kadoda-doda ka, Father, ha? Priest Gavin's room. He's not here. I shouldn't be in here. But something feels off. I'll just take a quick look. Let's see if I can find anything. Tara bay, mga wata bay. Bay, gusto ko mahadto sa basement, bay. Something is not right, jud bay. Oh, naisusi! Dara, naisusi. Atay, naisusi. The basement key. Mao na ni, pre. He told me it wasn't safe down there. So why is this just sitting here? I should investigate this later. Late. Lari, nidagan, men. Ay, Father! Ayaw, Father! Ay, gosh, sabi na ko gukdon ko, bay. What are you doing in here? This is my room. You shouldn't be wandering around without telling me. I was just looking for you. I woke up and no one is around. Gigirapangita rata ka. I see. I stepped out for a moment. There was no need to come in here. Next time, wait in the main hall. Pero asang duha ka bata, min? Ay, tulo na jud dahi, to be exact. Asan tulo ka bata, Saan, madto na ako sa basement. Wala man siya gatanaw. Pwede na ako madto sa basement. Di siya pukad to, bay. I should go talk to the gardener. Maybe he knows more. Hi, pangitao na po na akong gardener. Basig sugo. Ay, tro siya. Basig sugoon na po kayo. Basig sugoon na po kuhani ba? Hey, gardener. You look pale. Did something happen? I'm going to the basement tonight or I found the basement key. Dapat dili na ko ingon kay gardener bay, kay Grahams, kay murag feel na ko. Kuan sila. Kanang anak sila ni Father, Or I'm going to the basement tonight na lang. Sige, I'm going to the basement. You're doing what? Tanawa lagi? It's very dangerous down there. I haven't been in there for a very long time. Sige lang! And I plan to keep it that way. Unya naman ka to basement siya pag naano yung alain niya experience baka ng mga magtaka. And I plan to keep it that way. Here, take this. You're going to need it. Uy, tabangan ta niya, bay. Keep it with you at all times. Best of luck. Look, unsa ni? Unsa to? Unsa to yung gihatag sa kuha? Okay, muadto na ko. Holy water. Alright, alright, time to wait for dark. I'm going in the basement once Gavin is sleeping. Okay, tara na. Tulog na ba tanan? Tulog na. Ano, gogo lang ni bata, min. Si Mara. Mara, okay lang ka? Ay, anong storya naman to si Mara nga natulog man. Mara, wake up. You need to hide now. Mara, listen. You need to hide, okay? You need to hide now. What? Why? Okay. I'll do it. Kaya ba? Good girl. Asa siya? Asa man ka? Basig sa basement. Puga mo tago. Buwang. Tago dia ha. Tulog si father. Tulog siya may ganang ka mo to. Tara. Gitong basement. Darang basement, pre. Tara na. Let's go. Tara na. Ito na to ang mga misteryo. Tara na nata sa basement, men. Daga nag-meet diri, oy. Oh, hell no. Basin. Alo, gosh, yung ritual lagi ni, pre. Si buhato na ko diri ni libro. Tajak-tajaki. Our food, entry 1. Our food is nearly gone. Donations have slowed and father grows weaker by the day. He tells me fate will provide but hunger does not listen to prayers. I hear him suffering at night. I cannot let him starve. Entry 2. I found an old text hidden beneath the church. A forbidden language with warnings I chose to ignore. It speaks of a ritual that promises to never be hungry again. Tomorrow we perform it. Entry 3. It worked. The symbols burned into the floor. The candles died and the room was filled with meat. More than we could ever need. We laughed. For one moment, I believed we were saved. Something is wrong. Father cannot eat it. Every bite makes him sick. His hunger only grows. The ritual backfired with the sin of gluttony. The prize was not meat. We found a solution. Father now survives only on human flesh. Lingi sa likod niya, hadlok ang father. Tara, gali sa likod. Likod? Sure ba? I have moved him somewhere hidden and safe. He is my father. Tara na ko likod. Hoy, attords! Subagay na, father! Batog rin ako'y madunggan gahunghong. Brag na hey. Naigana ba? Basa na po ko. Tanawa bay, daghan kay mga meat. So human flesh ni tanan. So asa man bike na sa taas. At na to si Gavin bay. Ngano ni silip siya dito? Si Gavin. Tulog pa ba siya? O di ba mata na siya, min? Asa si pare? Mara, napakadri Mara. Ay, si Mara, min. Si Mara nagtago. Mara. Kailangan ta kay-save para di ka may mugkarni. Patay na wala si Mara, bay. Mara. Oh, hell no. Ayaw sa akin. Nawala si Mara. Wala, abri lagi. Patay, bay. Abri, bay. Wala, unsa naman po ni. Dua ka book basement ni father, bay. Hello. Wala. Mara. Ay, patay, bay. Asset siguro si Mara, bay. Kuan siguro no si Mara kasabwat. So you found us. I suppose there was no other way this could end. This church was starving long before you arrived. No food, no donations, and my father was dying. Anak ka namatay na yung papa. I searched for answers where I shouldn't have. In odd forbidden books, a ritual meant to provide food. It worked. But it went wrong. My father survived, but now he can only eat flesh. Human flesh. Feel ganin ako no, kasabot si Mara. Human flesh. I couldn't let him die. So I did what I had to do. Gisacrifice ni mo mga bata para sa imong papa nga kamatyunon. You are a monster or there has to be another way? There has to be another way by patyunon ng papa no. I already looked. This is the only one left. Unsa man ni? Ay, katong ihi. O ikaw pud Mara o dapat ihian sad ka. Ay diri dapat dapat ay diri day sa nagkasakit na tubot ngan. Okay, Dra. Tara, patay gurugurug. What did you do? Kring. Come Mara, let's get out of here. Tara Mara, dagan. Nung sabi na. Huy Mara, hulat ako. Buangan na i-save na ganita kabiyaan ba jud ko nimo? Mara, nakagawas na ta Mara. Asa mo ta ni gawas? Ay diri day. Thank you for saving me. We're not safe here yet. We're not safe yet. Let's get out of here. No time to talk. We have to leave. Tara. Okay. I'm scared. Tara Mara. Ay na scared ya. Gusto ka may mong karne? Kaon-kaonon katong tiguang. Nakoy madungga nagdagan. Hoy! You killed him. You killed him? Ha, namatay na yung papabay. You killed him. You are not leaving. Get over here. What the fuck? Why? Whoa! Whoa! Got you. Gavin got you. Try again. Thank you for saving me. Ayaw na. No time to talk. Tara na. Dagan na. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go! Ay! Ay! Mara! Dagan, Mara! Woo! Uy, asa na ta Mara? Asa si Mara, men? Mara! Ulo si Mara. Ay. 3 lives were taken. Kinsa to si Thomas, si Ambot. Elliot, rest in peace Elliot. Mo nitong maldito nga bata oh. Pero sige lang. Thomas, rest in peace Thomas, rest in peace. Kinsa pa namatay? Kani kinsa man ni? Ay Angel man ni. Lily, rest in peace Lily. Rest in peace, Lily. Okay, Mara. Gusto ka mo dungag diri, Mara? Tara na. Can we go now? Tara na. Yes, we're leaving. It's over. Yes, you're safe now. Woo. That's good. Ningbaw pa. Thanks for playing. Eh, hey. Chat W. Sheesh.